Hi, it's Cooking Girl here, and today I'm gonna tell you how to cook buttercream icing. You'll need butter, icing sugar, and milk. In the first step, you need to take the butter and put it all as a chunk in the bowl. Second step is you need to get an electric mixer and then Papa! And when the butter starts getting only white, it's enough. Now you need to get the icing sugar and pour it until you get half a bowl. And then you need to put all the icing sugar into the butter and start mixing again until it's all consumed. Now you need to get your milk and then pour just a tiny bit into a cup and then mix as you add the milk. Now you need to get your piping bag into the bag. And now the buttercream is ready. But I also bought little cupcakes and I wanted to put them on. Like and subscribe. Bye.